How to rank #1 on YouTube. To be honest, have you ever spent hours of editing on a YouTube video, pick the perfect thumbnail and finally upload that video, and you wake up and see 7 views only? We have all been there. The truth is, most YouTube videos don't fail because they are bad. They fail because YouTube does not know who to show them to. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and today I'll show you how to fix that using these 3 things: your title, your description and your tags. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to write all 3. So your video have much better chances of getting recommended. So let's fix this together. Part 1 is the perfect title. Your title has one job: make people click. That is it. If nobody clicks, nobody watches. But here is the mistake most creators make. Their titles are either too boring or they are so clickbait that people leave after a few seconds. Both can hurt your channel. Instead of writing how to edit videos, try something like I edited a video in just 5 minutes. See the difference? Both are different. The second one creates curiosity. People want to know what happened. That's exactly what your title should do. Just remember this one formula: keyword plus curiosity plus clear benefit. Simple. Now let's talk about something almost everyone ignores: the description. Think of it as a YouTube's cheat sheet. The algorithm reads it to understand your video. The first 2 or 3 lines matter the most, so don't waste them saying, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." Instead, briefly explain what your video is about using your main keywords naturally. For example, this video shows you how to rank higher on YouTube using better titles, descriptions and tags. That's it. If your video is longer than 5 minutes, add timestamps. They create chapters and make your video easier to navigate. Finally, add your playlist, your social links and ask viewers to subscribe. Simple but effective. Now let's answer a question everyone asks for. Do tags still work? The answer is yes, but they are not as powerful as they used to be. Think of tags like GPS. They help YouTube understand your video, especially if people spell your topic differently. Don't add 50 random tags. Instead, use around 10 relevant ones. Start with your main keyword, then similar keywords, then broader topics. Quality always beats quantity. So here is the formula: a title that makes people click, a description that helps YouTube understand your content, and tags that guide the algorithm. Use this strategy on your next 3 uploads and you will give your videos a much better chance of reaching more people. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.